per hour. That's less than half the Viper's top speed.
Now we're going to the dash.
This is a yoke. Yeah, we have two pilots, one pilot and co-pilot, and everybody can fly. No?
What does this one control?
This is for steering the aircraft.
Elevator.
Rudder. If you push it, you're going down. If you pull it, you're taking off. If you're going this way, there's a right turn, and if you go to the left, it's a left turn. It's not under power right now, so you cannot move it.
And then you have, are those the wheels, or is that flaps, or?
This is a gear handle.
Gear.
Yeah, that's the only one you're not allowed to touch here because I don't want to access the gear.
No.
This is the power lever, throttle,
yeah,
mixture, condition lever. There's computers for navigation and for the radios. There's a weather radar over there. That's for the engines.
Can you put on music?
Yes, we can. Yeah.
Oh, the other one's taken off, the green one.
Yeah.
And this is the LIS. What is that called?
What?
The ILS?
ILS. No, ILS is a kind of radio system for landing. You know. Yeah.
Do you have one?
Yeah, we have two. One. This is. Actually, with this one, you can put it in, and over there here we have the. You can see it. The display for the. ILS. It's a.
It's trying.
And then autopilot while you're in flight.
Yes.
Where's that?
This one.
That's this one.
Yeah.
So how do you shoot?
And
those are circuit breakers.
And you know how to push all the buttons.
Yes, I have to.
Move out of the way so you get brother.
I have a question.
What is it?
Is this the button that you use to shoot?
No, this is not a shooter.
No, we're not able to shoot.
This is transport.
This is just a transport aircraft, not a fighter aircraft.
Well, thank you very much.
Guys,
You're welcome.
Hello, Gupta.
Hello, Gupta.
Hello.
With your help, last year we saved a big part of the historic bomber plant just across the field. Let's get Japan. And they figured, how will they do that? Well, the only way they can figure to do that is to... I'm sorry, that's the JU-52, pardon me, different airplane than I thought. That'll be participating in our ground bout here in a couple of minutes. But the Yankee Warrior and which is the B-25 Mitchell bomber.
Is a transport for a squad of 10 men with a machine gun mounted, and there was a lot of variations made. You'll see some, there's a...
system that allows the pilot and his jet to draw such precise corners.